Marching. Come march in the park with us this fine day. Let's march over here. Oops, that's the wrong way. March backwards. March over there. That's a good path. No, it's not. Let's go back to the start. Up on your tiptoes. Don't flatten the grass. Let's tiptoe backwards. Backwards we dart. Arms up and tiptoe forwards again. And now tiptoe backwards with all of our friends. Jumping like kangaroos, up and then down. And now jumping backwards, jumping around. Bouncing through the trees and over the grass, backwards and forwards in this pretty park.